students, welcome back to social studies. Anyway, what all we studied at previous class? We got through know in history, first chapter, Mesopotamian civilization. In this, what all we studied? What is civilization? What is civilization? Civilization is nothing but people lives in towns and cities. From which word it has derived? From Latin word. And what all we divisions we see in this society? Social and economic. As well as what all we see that people specialize specific jobs. They have their own job according to their professional or profession. Clear? Yes, what all they did? They usually exchange the goods between villages and cities, right? Why? On through technology development. Even though people is also a developing. Anyway, how was the earlier people and that civilized people? How was that olden age and modern age? They are differentiate because olden age the peoples were different and modern age now we are very developed or we are adopting usually the technologies. But earlier people or olden days there is no technology and they were not adopting anything. Yes. Next we'll see River Valley civilization. River Valley civilization is nothing but it is water. What is what? How is water? How the river value of civilization? We'll see now. The first great civilization grew up along with the river valleys. Yes, obviously the civilization will be grew up with the water. The river. What we'll see in this river? We'll see water. Yes. Without water we can lead our life, our daily life? No, right? No. Without water we can't lead our daily life. Water is our basic need. As water was primary need our daily life. Yes, obviously what I said. Without water we can live? No, we can't live. Because water is our basic need. Next. A lower area, a land between hills or a mountain with the rivers or streams flowing through it is known as river valley. River valley is nothing but can everybody see hills and mountains, right? Yes. If I take as example, if anybody go to Dharmasthala, like on that hilly places, can everybody see, right? From between that hills and mountains, the water was flowing in the wave form. That is nothing but river valley. A land between hills and mountains where the river or a stream flowing through it is called as river valley. Right? Between that hills and mountains that water was flowing, right? In the form of waves, it is known as river valley. Next, agriculture depends on a reliable water supply from the perennial rivers or a regular rainfall. Yes, always agriculture depends on water. Without water we can do agriculture? No. Few peoples or depends on rain. Few peoples depends on like borewells, right? Few peoples where depends on rainfall. Whenever the rain will fall, that time they usually put the crops. Few peoples where always depends on borewells because from the borewells they'll get water so that they can easily do the agriculture. The rivers provided a regular supply of water and the annual floods made by the land fertility. Yes, the rivers provided a regular supply of water. Yes, obviously wherever you see the river, in every that floods will be happens. Everybody knows, right? Floods. Everybody saw that in television. How where and all we can see that floods. Yes, it was made by the land fertility. It is how the floods will be happen on the description or on the made up of land fertiles. Clear? Yes. Next we'll go. The fresh water of following river was preferred from the drinking or standing pools, in which the water was not so clean. Yes, obviously in river, whichever the water is flowing, especially the fresh water, it is always preferred for drinking as well as on the standing pools, because in which the water was not clear, and everywhere in the river you can see up the water will be very purified. If you go to down, it will be unclean. So it was not able to in the form of drinking. Yes, river were a sources of food, as they provide such a rich sources of fish and edible aquatic life. The river received as a means of transportation. Yes, obviously in rivers everybody can see that flowable of fishes, right? Yes, obviously we can see fish or aquatable animals in the sea level, as well as we can travel on an river through boats, in which we can travel in river. We can go by walk? No. As well as we always prefer boats to travel in the river. Yes, the river is reversed as a means of transport. Transport is nothing but in which way will transport? In the way of ship. Yes. Now we'll see, locate the mark the rivers that earlier river value civilization on the given map refer to the internet or an atlas. Okay. Now we'll see, this you have to do homework. Below this we will see, observe the map showing the 4 river valleys civilizations. Yes. Which are those? Egypt civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Indus Valley civilization and Chinese civilization. Where is Egyptian civilization? See, we can see in the color of brown. This is nothing but Egypt civilization. As next, Mesopotamian civilization. See, can see here. This is in the color of purple. This is known as Mesopotamian civilization. Next, Indus Valley civilization. Where we can see this Indus Valley civilization? Where we belongs to? We belongs to India, right? And in which continent we belongs to? In world, we belongs to Asia continent. Which country we belongs to? We belongs to India. See, and thus the border of the India is known as Indus Valley civilization. Which color is this? This is in the color of green color. Yes. Next, Chinese civilization, whichever in the color of red color. This is known as Chinese civilization. So you have to do the same four and the four civilization you should apply here in the form of color. It will be your homework. Clear? See how many we have more, but in that there is marked only 4. Which are those? Egypt civilization, Mesopotamia, Indus Valley civilization and Chinese civilization. Same apply here and color the picture. This will be your homework. Clear? Next we'll see further topic at the next class. Okay? Bye.